Welcome back. A seminar on opportunities for youth in animation industry was held in Panji on Saturday. It is expected that in coming decade, India would require thousands of animators due to the fast growth of sector in the country.
Defense, film, gaming, advertising and various other industries use animation extensively in their works. Like information technology, animation industry too is expected to grow very fast in India in coming decade. Hiram Decca Animation Institute along with Institute Mineges Braganza had organized a day-long seminar on animation opportunities in Panji. Large number of students and their parents attended this seminar on Saturday. India poses good skills in animation and thus it is expected that industry would do good in India. Many Hollywood studios are coming to India to do their films. Hiram Decca Animation Institute would also start animation classes in Panji in coming month. Director of Hiram Decca Animation Institute, Sangeeta Jadhav says there is large opportunities for animators in India.
एनिमेशन ये मुख्य अंग बन चुका है क्योंकि स्पेशल इफ़ेक्ट के द्वारा ही आजकल की बूम जो है वो निकल के आई है और इसलिए आज नास्कॉम के रिपोर्ट के अनुसार संपूर्ण भारतवर्ष में 5 लाख एनिमेटर्स की आवश्यकता है, लेकिन फ़िलहाल केवल 5 या 10 हज़ार तक ही एनिमेटर्स प्रशिक्षित होकर के यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं। तो आईटी के क्षेत्र में एनिमेशन ये सबसे महत्वपूर्ण अंग माना जाता है और आज के बाद आगे आने वाले 12 वर्षों तक एनिमेटर की दुनिया में बहुत सारा चलान यहाँ पे उपलब्ध होगा।
Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
Global recession is a result of unethical economic planning. Veteran film director Mani Shankar highlighted this in a function at Vasco. He also expressed his concern about the increasing corruption in the country.
Mani Shankar was speaking at the function organized by BITS Pilani Campus Annual Cultural Festival Waves 2009. The festival commenced on Friday. Professor K.E. Raman of BITS Pilani Goa Campus, CSA representative Saurabh Agarwal and others were present for the function.
The planet is heating up, almost to a point of no return. Political turmoil and global terror is at its worst. Nationally, we have not been able to generate a corruption-free leadership. It is reported that $1.5 trillion, that is about 70 lakh crores of rupees, has been siphoned off by politicians to safe havens outside this country. The whole problem, the world today, the recession problem that we are facing is basically because we believe in economics without ethics. There is no concept of ethics in economics today. And we have guys wearing nice suits, ties and stuff like that from Savile Road, and they talk big stuff, big fundas, but they have no ethics.
Students presented different cultural programs during the festival. This 3-day event will go on till the 8th of March. Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
The 2008-2009 I-League football competition seems to be heading to an interesting climax. Sporting Club de Goa are leading the pack. Churchill brothers are 2 points behind in the second place as the race for the title between Goan club intensifies. But for Vasco Sports Club, it is a battle against relegation and thus anxious time for the fans of the Port City club.
Sporting Club and Churchill brothers have both played 18 games each and as such have 4 games remaining in the season. In third place are Kolkata Giants. Mohun Bagan 5 points adrift of the leaders. Bagan, however, have a game in hand and are a worthy challenger for the title. The Goan fans have plenty to cheer with the Sporting Club winning the hearts of the neutrals once again. Not to be left behind are Churchill brothers, who have also dazzled the football lovers with plenty of goals with the likes of Odafe Okoli and Ogba Kalu, striking a delightful partnership to provide the thrust for the Varka-based side. Defending champions Dempo Sports Club, however, have faced a major slump this season with their key striker Ranty Martin struggling to find form. With 5 games to play, Armando Colaso's boys are in mid-table position and 15 points behind Clifford Chukwuwama's Sporting Club.
And we knew we had to play to retain our position on top. That's exactly what the boys did. So you mean to say your according plan, your strategy worked out today? Yeah, not necessarily strategy worked out. But we played to win. Yeah, we played to win. Yeah. The boys, they were determined to keep their position. That was the instruction given. that we have to keep our position at the top. And we knew that a draw was not going to keep us there. Only a win can keep us. So we had to really come out to play and win.
I cannot say for one player. This is 11 in the field, even reserve players, even third group who was not in the field. We have great unity. We have about 30 fantastic young players. And this is result the game.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's look at the headlines once again. Salgaonkar Sports Club defeated Will Red Ledger by 5-0. NCP ticket for Nirmala Sawant might lead to revolt within Congress. Congress General Secretary and spokesperson openly oppose Nirmala's candidature. Global recession hits Management Institute. Campus recruitment hits roadblock. After Prudent Media expose on said state of newly born babies in GMC, Superintendent of GMC confesses limitation in the increasing facilities for the patient at GMC but promises to increase number of beds. A Prudent Media impact. And Sporting Club and Churchill Brothers in race for I-League crown. Dempo in slump. Vasco face relegation battle. And with this we come to an end of this newscast. Keep watching Prudent Media.